Okay, I'm Al Harris, and I will be in Athens, Lawrenceville, in Georgia. So northeast of Atlanta. I spent 25 years in the Marines. Retired in 2014. Been married for 25 years. Got 3 kids. I really was looking for something to do, and when I heard about this opportunity, it sounded like a really good fit for me. So I guess really my first exposure was watching Michael and some of the videos on YouTube, and just listening to how he and the other employees that were featured in those videos, how concerned they were with doing things right. So that translates to me, you know, there's a standard, and it's a high standard, and I'm definitely one that, as a customer, I definitely appreciate great customer service, and that's what, you know, doing things right, going the extra mile if need be, making sure that the product is always where it should be. You know, that really that was attractive to me. Honestly, I'm really impressed with both the marketing, advertising, and the sales piece of the company. Since I retired in 2014, I've worked other places in sales, and you know, this, you know, what Michael and everybody has shown me, that's really, to me, how it should be. Very, very data driven, always doing the analysis to see where you can get better, see if there's something else you should be doing, or seeing if there's something you shouldn't be doing to be as efficient and effective as you can be. Getting in the seat, taking over, seeing what I can contribute. I have some ideas, but you never know until you get there, I guess. I mean, they're improving seemingly every month, getting better and better. But I think, well, I know that, you know, there's plenty of opportunity in that area, living so close by, and I want to take advantage of it. Looking forward to coming to Athens, Georgia, and showing even more people what Crawl Space Ninja is all about.